Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is a 2021 Honda CRF300L Rally, and today I'll show you how to install a set of DoubleTake mirrors. DoubleTake mirrors can be easily adjusted or removed completely in seconds, which is especially handy when riding through tight spots off-road, and they come with some adapters so they can be installed on just about any motorcycle. They seem to be really well made, they provide good visibility with little vibration, and they're pretty easy to install, so let's get to it. All I needed for this job was a 14mm wrench, medium strength thread locker, and a set of DoubleTake mirrors. There are links in the description for everything I used. To remove the factory mirrors, lift up on this rubber boot to expose the hardware underneath.
This is reverse thread. This one's not.
The nut on top has reverse threads, so it loosens by turning clockwise. The one below it has normal threads. Remove the mirror and its washer, and clear away any debris. The ball mount fits directly on this bike, but other bikes might require one of the adapters that came with the mirrors. I applied some thread locker to keep it from coming loose, and got it as tight as I could by hand. The arm of the mirror is basically a double-ended, spring-loaded clamp. It might take some adjusting, but the tighter end should snap onto the ball mount. Then you can insert the mirror at the other end and adjust the tension until the mirror stays in place. It's a really simple design and it seems to work pretty well. With the arm connected, you can also use it to get a little extra leverage for tightening the ball mount. By the way, you can now support the channel by purchasing this awesome design, available in a t-shirt, long sleeve, and a hoodie, and in a bunch of different colors as well. Check for a link in the description below. This was my first CRF300 video, but I've already filmed a dozen more that I'll be publishing over the next few months. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more of the best DIY videos on the internet. And until next time, just keep throwing money at it.